Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OpenAI account, access ChatGPT and tools step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in openai.com and press enter. Once the OpenAI homepage loads, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page asking for your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the provided space. Once both fields are filled, click the Sign In button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Enter your email address again on the next page and submit the request. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from OpenAI. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just set. Click the Sign In button once more. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your OpenAI account dashboard. From here, you can access ChatGPT and various tools provided by OpenAI. Familiarize yourself with the interface to make the most out of your account. You are now ready to start exploring and using OpenAI's resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.